warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nawang from MTSR Cendekia. Today, I will tell you a wonderful legend from North Sumatra. It is a story about love, promise, and how a beautiful lake was formed. So, sit back and listen carefully to the story of Toba Lake. A long time ago, in North Sumatra, there lived a poor young man in a valley. He had no parents, but the valley was beautiful, and anything he planted there grew wonderfully. He lived by farming and fishing in the river near his house. One afternoon, he went fishing in the river. But after hours, he still hadn't caught anything. This had never happened before. Disappointed, he pulled his rod out. But suddenly, he was very happy to see a little goldfish on the end of the rod. He hurried home to cook the fish. He placed the fish on the table. It will be a delicious fish. I'm very hungry, he said. He went to get some firewood. When he came back, the goldfish was gone. But suddenly a soft voice came behind him. Good afternoon, fisherman. He turned around and saw a beautiful woman standing in front of him with long red hair. Who are you, beautiful lady? And where did you come from? He said. I was the goldfish on the table, but I'm not an ordinary goldfish as you can see. She played with her hair and smiled at him. The young man looked at her. He realized that his life was so lonely. So he had imagination to marry that beautiful lady. He tried to ask her, Will you marry me, oh beautiful lady? He held his breath as he waited for her answer. I think you will never ask. Believe me, I also have been waiting for this moment for a long time. Now, I'm ready to marry you. Really? He was surprised. Yes, but you must promise. Never told anyone I was a fish. Can you do that? Oh, of course, I promise. Then their marriage continued. They were very happy for each other. Soon they have a son, namely Samosir. Samosir grew fast and strong, but he was very naughty. One day, he refused breakfast, annoyed his mother, and didn't want to bring lunch to his father. Eventually, Samosir's mother convinced him to take a box of rice and fish to his father. It was a long through the fields. On the way, Samosir felt hungry. Well, I'm sure they'd won't mind if I just eat a few grains of rice. So he opened the box and ate a little rice and fish, then more and more, until all that remained were fuzz. Oh no! I've eaten all of that lunch! Hoping his father wouldn't notice, he put the buns back in the box, wrapped it up, and continued on his way. When he found his father, he was actually about to run away, but his father was hungry too. And then immediately, the father opened the box and saw the buns. Sir, he shot and ran after the boy. Samoser was fast, but his father was faster. Then he immediately cuffed the boy. Did you have my lunch? Samoser cried. Oh, Dad, a fox attacked me and ate all the food. Your wife is me. I'm not lying. Yes, you are, you son of fish. And without warning, he slapped across the Samosir face. Samosir ran home, and when he came to the house, he said, Mom, am I the son of a fish? He meant it's a joke, but his mother's face was turned into a very serious. The Samosir mother continued, he silently has broken his promise. Realizing his mistake, Samasir's father ran home. It started raining hard. He could see his wife inside, hugging Samasir. But just then, lightning struck, and the two of them was disappeared. After that, the man was very deep into a depression. He lay in his bed and cried along the day. Suddenly, a rain fell and continued for weeks. The man was pulled down under the waters and never came back. And the beautiful valley was turned into a lake. And the beautiful lake was named as Toba Lake. Thank you.